Today I'm going to do a quick start guide to using the Alde 3020 heating and hot water system in the caravan. To turn the unit on, press the bottom left hand button. Once the unit is switched on, you'll notice there's a little green light. All the while that the unit is on in standby mode, that little green light will be lit. Once it's on, if you want to check the ambient temperature in the caravan, just tap the screen. We're currently at 24.5 degrees. The little symbol in the top right hand corner indicates that we've actually got mains electrics to the unit. So to set the unit up, we press menu in the bottom right. We'll take the top line first. Now the top line, that is the ambient temperature that you want within the caravan. So at the moment we're saying we would like our caravan to be 20 degrees C. Now if you want your ambient temperature higher or lower than that, you simply press plus to increase and minus to decrease. If the temperature in the caravan drops below that level, the heating will come on to bring you back up to that figure. Unfortunately, it's not an air conditioning unit, so if the temperature in the caravan is higher than that figure, it won't bring it down to that for you. The second line down is your hot water. At the moment, the hot water is off. To turn it on, simply press the plus. The plus goes green and you've got a little half-filled triangle in the middle there. That would be your normal water setting. If you want to boost the hot water, you can press it again and it fills the little triangle. Now, if there's any power currently being drawn by the heating will turn off and that extra power will boost the water until it gets up to temperature, and then it will drop back down to the normal setting, which is that one there. Now, in order to get either the heating or the hot water, we've obviously got to put a power source to the unit. Now, the third line down is our mains electrics. So if you're plugged into the mains electrics, you can put 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatts or 3 kilowatts of power to the unit. Now, you do need to bear in mind what power you're allowed to draw from the site supply. Some sites are 10 amps, some 16. If you have that set too high and put something else on in the caravan, you might end up tripping the breaker on the site. So I usually set that to 2 kilowatts and I usually find that's adequate. You can supply the unit with gas. Pressing the gas symbol goes green. So we are now supplying that unit with 2 kilowatts of electric and gas. If I do that, we're now only using gas. And if I do that, we've now turned the hot water off. There are more advanced features, but I'm not looking at those today. What we've covered will get you up and running with heating and hot water. Thank you for watching. Let's turn it off.